Hi Pitner Patriots, this is our second video and our topic for today is backyard animals. You can still use your iNaturalist app if you're able to download that to take pictures to identify animals and insects in your backyard. You can also keep a journal that you can draw, write captions, and do any kind of labeling that you would need to do for your observations. While you're observing, you could be looking for behavior in animals. Or do you think these are inherited behaviors that they just know how to do? Or do you think they are learned behaviors? You can also identify various life cycles of animals that you see in your backyard. You can even identify, what are they eating? Ask yourself, what are they eating? Are the birds picking at worms in the ground? Do you see birds eating seeds? You can create your very own bird beak by objects you find in your house. Can you use that bird beak to build your own bird's nest using objects you find outside? We live in the Piedmont region of Georgia, so we have various birds that come to our area. First grade, before we left, they were building a shelter. Can you find objects outside and build your own animal shelter? Another thing you can look for is behavior in bees. Bees are abundant this time of the year. Are they being drawn to different colored plants? Do they like the red flowers better than the yellow flowers? I don't know. Make observations and record that data. You can also look for evidence of animal tracks. In my yard, I've seen deer tracks, and I've also seen evidence that armadillo has been coming into my yard. They like to dig little holes in the yard looking for food to eat. Another thing you can identify is any animal's adaptations. I've noticed that I have lots of lizards that like to come out and bask in the sun when it's warm out. Also, they like to hop and jump and run in a chase, and they go after all kinds of insects. That's part of their adaptations. They've learned to hunt insects, and they're pretty good at it if you take your time and just make those observations without scaring them away. All right, boys and girls, next week we will be discussing soil and rocks in your very own backyard. See you then.